So today, we're going over to my buddy Doug's house, where we're going to weld back together his 76, I think, C10 that he cut in half. So let's get some tools together. So we're going to be taking the 140C Lincoln Electric Power MIG with us, and then the couple odds and ends welding tools, you know, hood and things like that. I'm going to take the grinder with me with a couple of flappy wheels and such. I should probably bring his chainsaw back. I do kind of want to finish cutting up the thing I borrowed it for, but also don't, so I'll probably just bring it back with me. So yeah, I'll catch you when we get over there. I don't like that one. So yeah, I'll get the truck loaded up and I'll meet you over there. So, what are we working on today? Oh, you got that looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's okay for a beginner.
I wasn't sure if you're, I figured you'd had it, you're gonna get pretty good.
Well,
But I was expecting that maybe there'd be like one, like, there it is.
What?
That one.
Yeah.
One
and
weird
the bottom one's not as, dude, cutting, laying on your back. Because I'd marked it on the outside and I was trying to line it up, and yeah, it's way harder to cut on your back than standing up. But
yeah. And you always tell me that, you know, what I do is ridiculous. You cut a perfectly good truck right in half.
yeah, I know.
All I've ever done were motor swaps.
I know. Believe me, I've second guessed myself.
It's close enough today, right there on that corner, that I don't think anyone's gonna notice.
I thought
Yeah,
I was like, shit, how did I get off on the edges? And apparently the frame comes in a little, well, you see it does it here, comes in, and I was like, oh shit, you know, I was way off, but it's just because the frame narrows a little right there. Oh well.
So you're just giving it one final.
Yeah, I was just, I done it with the air, or the impact last night. I just wanted to put the pull handle on it, just a little extra on it.
Yeah.
Because it felt like right here, I wasn't because, I mean, obviously you don't want to cut any more than you have to off, and if you look right there, like, man, it's super tight. Like this, I pulled it up because, like, well, I don't want to have to trim on it anymore. I want it tight as possible, so I made it.
I mean, even a 16th gap in there would have been okay. The
Yeah,
welder
yeah.
actually would have liked it.
Well, and I thought about, you know, depending on what you want to do. I mean, I could run the wheel down through there and probably trim it.
That's usually what I do when I'm fitting things tight like that, is I get it where it's touching, and then I'll run the grinder through it a little bit just to open it up. But
Well, if you want to do that, because I was thinking maybe you might like it like that. If you want to, we can.
I think it'll be okay, because that's not a very heavy steel. I think it'll be okay.
Actually, it's surprisingly
Light?
thin. Yeah, pretty light. I mean, that plate, even though it's only a 16th bigger, it seems like it's like twice as big, twice as thick.
Yeah.
But it's only a 16th bigger.
Alright, so I showed up to this unprepared, and I only had one battery in the GoPro, and it died right about at the end of this video, so there's no outro to it, and this was pretty rushed because I just wanted to get some content in for this week, so sorry for the plain video, but, you know, thanks for watching and sticking through it, and there probably will be some more on this truck in the future, so if you liked it, remember to subscribe, and I'll catch you all later.